He wants to be a Viking, he wants to fit in, but it's just not who he is. I related to Hiccup, so can a lot of other people. I related to him so much, you know, being different and just accepting it, and you know, that's what makes you cool. He wants to make his father proud, and you know, that's what he wants so bad, but he just can't seem to, you know, can't seem to do it, and just kind of lets everybody down. So that's one of the things we explored a lot was, you know, how would somebody cope with that? And Hiccup's response is, you know, humor, you know, throw a joke at it, you know, make fun of himself. It's, you know what Hiccup does, it's who he is. So getting to do that was a lot of fun.